Me Pivot, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about top 10 devil fruit in One Piece so far rank. Before starting the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's begin the video. In the number 10 we have Joshi Joshi no Mi. The Joshi Joshi no Mi is a paramecia type devil fruit that allow the user to create and manipulate gravitational force. This fruit power can affect the gravitational pull of any area and can even call upon meteoroid. It was introduced in the story during the Dressrosa arc. It is currently consumed by the Fujitaro, one of the Marine Admiral. In the 9, we have Kaido Devil Fruit. This is the strongest zone fruit seen in the story. It transforms the user into a literally dragon, giving them the ability to fly and use fire attack. It was introduced in story during the Wano arc. It is currently consumed by Kaido, one of the 4 Emperor of the Sea. In number 8, we have Soru Soru no Mi. The Soru Soru no Mi is a paramecia type devil fruit that allows the user to freely interact with and manipulate soul. This power can take away the lifespan from any living thing, can be transformed in animated object, giving themselves life and personalities. It was introduced in the story during the Whole Cake Island arc. It is currently consumed by Charlotte Lenin, one of the 4 Emperor of the Sea. In the 7, we have Heiki Heiki no Mi. The Heiki Heiki no Mi is a Logia type devil fruit that allows the user to create, control and transform into ice, at will turning the user into a freezing human. It can be used to freeze anything, however the size of area affected depends on the user's own strength and stamina. It was introduced in the story shortly before Water 7. It is currently consumed by Akuji, a former Marine Admiral. In the 6th, we have the Magu Magu no Mi. The Magu Magu no Mi is a Lugia type devil fruit that allows the user to create, control and transform into magma at will, turning the user in magma human. It is very useful in both one-on-one and area effect attack, causing large scale damage. It was introduced in the story during the Marine Food arc. It is currently consumed by Akainu, the Marine Field Admiral. In the 5th, we have Pika Pika no Mi. The Pika Pika no Mi is a Lugia type devil fruit that allows the user to create, control and transform into a light at will, turning the user into a light human. It enables the user to move at the speed of light and transport him or herself by means of reflection. The light can also be weaponized for a ridiculously large explosion. It was introduced in the story during the Sabaody Arcaniglo arc. It is currently consumed by Kizaru, one of Marine Admiral. In the 4th, we have Yami Yami no Mi. The Yami Yami no Mi is a Lugia type devil fruit that allows the user to create, control and transform into darkness at will, making the user a darkness human. It is a power can use the forces of gravity and darkness to suck out anything, including a person devil fruit power. This is the only devil fruit capable of nullifying every other devil fruit. It was introduced shortly before the Marineford arc. It is currently consumed by Marshal the Take. In the 3rd, we have Goro Goro no Mi. The Goro Goro no Mi is a Lugia type devil fruit that allows the user to create, control and transform into electricity at will, making the user a lightning human. The fruit attacks are lethal to every living creature as electric shock quickly disable any bodily movement, and can also be used to control a person's movement by sending electrical signal to their muscles. It was introduced during the Skypiea arc. It is currently consumed by Enel, formerly regarded as the god of Skypiea. In the 2nd, we have Gura Gura no Mi. The Gura Gura no Mi is a paramecia type devil fruit which allows the user to create vibration or quacks, making the user a tremor human. It is a power are extremely terrifying, are said to can even cause the destruction of the world itself. It was introduced during the Marineford arc in an epic attack that raised tide bigger than a mountain in the sea. It is currently consumed by Marshal the Tage and one of the former the 4 Emperor of the Sea. At the top of the list, we have most strongest devil fruit, Opi Opi no Mi. The Opi Opi no Mi is a paramecia type devil fruit that allow its user to create a spherical space or a room in which the user has complete control over the placement and orientation of the object inside, making the user a free modification human. This power has limitless application and was even used to swap personalities between strong characters with little to non-possible resistance. It was introduced in the story during the Sablogi Argonulia arc. It is currently consumed by the Truffle the Water Law, one of the members of the worst generation. So that's for the today. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, sayonara. See you on the next video. Bye bye.